Hello everyone! Welcome to the 2-minute class. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Spotify app playlist empty issue. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app and tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. It's the third option. Now, scroll down until you see the Storage section. Tap it to check how much storage Spotify is using. Clearing the cache can often resolve glitches causing this problem. So, tap Clear Cache, then confirm by selecting Clear Cache again. Once that's done, close and restart Spotify to refresh the app. Check if your playlists are now visible. If the issue persists, don't worry. There's one more thing you can try. Visit your device's app store, like Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Spotify. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Older versions may contain bugs that cause playlist errors. And that's it. These steps should fix the empty playlist problem. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.